Hi, mathematicians. Today we are going to review what we've learned this unit. So we're on our same problem about Miss Sherry, and today we have two more problems about this big situation. Number one, at the end of Monday, Miss Sherry sees that she has $711. Each donut costs $3. How many donuts did Miss Sherry sell? So first I need to think, what's the important information in this problem? Okay, so she has $711. Each donut costs $3. So I need to figure out how many donuts she sold. So I'm going to do 711 divided by 3 to find out the number of donuts. And I also have my sentence ready for the answer. Miss Sherry sold donuts. Because the question is, how many donuts did Miss Sherry sell? So I'm all ready now to do $711 divided by $3 to find out the number of donuts Miss Sherry sold. So first I estimate, and I think, 3 times 100, 300, too small. 3 times 500, way too big. Let me do 3 times 200. So 3 times 200 is 600. And I subtract. I see I have $111 more to figure out. So, okay, what if she sold another 30 donuts? 3 times 30, that's $90. Okay. I'll subtract again. And I still have $21 that I need to figure out how many donuts that was. And I know my times tables. 3 times 7 equals 21. I'll subtract again. I have 0 remaining dollars that I need to figure out. And I see that over here, she bought 237 donuts. So my answer here is Miss Sherry sold 237 donuts. So it's the same division we've been doing all week. Just make sure you put your answer in a full sentence. Now let's go on to number 2. In number 2, we're reviewing some other things we've learned. First of all, I'm looking at this problem. Let me go back. If Miss Sherry paid $300 for the 240 donuts she bought for the day, how many donuts were left over? So to find out how many donuts were left over, do I need to know the price? Not really. I need to know the number of donuts left over. So I'm going to ignore that information. And that's what we learned this week and last week. We find the important information and ignore the unimportant information. We also know that sometimes part 1 can help us with part 2. So if I go back and I look at question 1, she sold 237 donuts. Okay. So she bought 240, she sold 237. Now am I ready to find the answer? Yeah. How do you think I'll find it? That's right. I subtract and see how many donuts Miss Sherry had left over. Miss Sherry had 3 donuts left over. So again, this is a review of what we've learned this week. So ese es un repaso de lo que aprendimos esta semana. Y voy a repetir las partes más importantes en español. Aprendimos cómo dividir con grandes números o repasamos. Aprendimos que hay que encontrar la información importante y ignorar lo que no es importante. Y aprendimos que a veces la primera parte te puede ayudar con la segunda parte. Entonces ahora, so now it's your turn. This problem is at the end of the week. So at the end of the week, Miss Sherry sees that she has $2,226. And you know what? I forgot a comma there. That's really important. I'm going to put my comma in. Each donut cost $3. How many donuts did Miss Sherry sell? And then if Miss Sherry paid $1,200 or $1,200 for the 800 donuts she bought for the week, how many donuts were left? Now, where could we learn to do this? Well, we just did it together. So you're going to do something very similar, but with your own numbers. And remember to answer in a complete sandwich? No. Answer in a complete sentence.